because
we usually post like almost every day.
Yeah, but like we have school.
Yeah.
Today's Friday.
Yeah, at least today's Friday. Yeah.
And don't mind the background noises.
But
it's like water and the TV show.
We have to do level 3 because we did not finish and we rage quit it.
Yeah. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure to watch part 1.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm blue.
I'm red. Wait,
Bro, what?
Oh, yay. Yeah, go.
Alright.
That happens.
Oh! What? Girl, we walked the same time.
Yup.
I'm a big stepper, underground ripper. So how was your day?
Mine? Mine?
No, not you, girl. I'm asking them, not you. Why would I ask you? No.
Oh, okay.
How was y'all's day? Do you guys have school too? Because I have school. Are you guys starting school in September or like late August or something? We started school like the 9th. Oh my gosh. But
well,
school,
it's frustrating.
I guess. Like, people be talking about you and stuff.
Yeah.
Which is annoying.
Wait. What about, is there more drama?
Yes, there is. I'll tell you off camera because I don't want to tell them. I don't want to tell them. That's none of y'all's business. Oopsies.
Ooh.
Oopsie doopsies. Maybe we should record until we like finish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We made it. So, okay. We made it past the thing over there, that thing. Okay, it's time for this level.
We always like die like once or like a lot of times here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I was about to go on the red block. I forgot.
If you dare to do that. Wait, we passed this level before, right?
Oh.
No.
Now we have to do this all again, like, bruh.
Okay.
Press swap.
I thought you were gonna do it, whatever.
I thought you were gonna. Why is this big person here? I've been holding my cough ever since I came back from school because I don't want to cough in school. Like, that's gross. I think that's gross.
If there's like background noises and people like
don't mind background noises because
who fell? You fell?
No.
Wait, did I fall? Because I wasn't looking. I wasn't looking. Oh my gosh, it's so loud here.
So background noises. Oh my god. Oh. Like they're so loud when we want to record.
I know, right? And then they're so quiet when we don't. Like my aunt was quiet. Loud.
Swap. Okay, y'all, we made it past the thing, and we also switched colors because we like reset it and rejoined, so many times.
Because we rage quit.
Not rage quit.
Yeah.
Wait, don't swap yet. Okay, swap. Do we swap?
Okay. Wait. Oh, this way.
Don't fall. Today we're trying to complete this, y'all.
Swap.
Okay. And maybe complete level
today's
4.
Today's
done. Swap.
Wait.
Swap.
Step on the
Swap.
I forgot to swap. Sorry. Wait. Yes. Step on the buttons to complete. Oh, we step on each other.
Yes, we finally completed level 3. Now we're gonna do level 4. Hopefully we complete this too.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this? This is so small.
Girl, you fall so much time. You're gonna fall so many times in this level.
My legs are thick.
Mine too, girl.
Yeah, but yours are like, you're smaller than me.
Stop falling. I can't stop falling for him.
Girl, just
I can't. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
okay.
Ooh.
Okay, what?
Oh. The screen broke.
Okay.
Sorry, baby. Boy.
Baby boy.
I'm not talking to you, girl. My love. My love is going. Why don't you just go, my love? Can I show my love for you?
Guys, did you hear that?
Y'all, it's so loud in here.
Oh my God. Y'all, sorry.
What the?
What happened?
At least I'm like blue.
Sorry for the background noises again.
And again and again and again and
No, I don't want to be red.
Well, it's okay because red is
Stop
spicy.
falling.
Red is spicy. Girl, shut up. You're so loud.
You stop falling.
No. Stop falling, girl. You fell too. You fall. Everyone falls.
You fall.
What the hell? What is going on, y'all?
Why are we just I don't.
Yeah, I'm blue. Yeah.
Not again.
I don't mind being blue. But I like red better.
Then
Swap.
Sorry about the background noises. There's like a lot and it's really loud.
Shut up and swap. 'Cause I don't care.
oh.
I don't care about this. So just shut up, swap, and we're good.
And you died.
Yes.
If we have to just
Oh my gosh. What is up?
what?
Yo. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay,
oh. Okay.
So this is the end of the video.
Yeah. Video.
Maybe we'll try to complete level 4,
Yeah, at least we completed.
level 3.
Is there more?
No, they're coming soon. We should do level 4, y'all. We'll try to do level 4 for y'all. So, bye-bye.
Bye.
Pause for a minute, then I let you be. I'm loving this ride, smooth like a beamer.